Hello everybody, so I am in America. I have been here for about 2.5 weeks. I'm not sure what order I'm going to upload these videos in, but today I'm going to do a little room tour of where I'm staying. So you guys might already know already from some of my previous vlogs, but I am volunteering on a horse ranch in Memphis, so I'm not getting paid for any of this. It's just volunteering in exchange for accommodation. So I am sharing my room with a girl that's just arrived a couple days ago. So I'm going to show you where I'm staying. So this is my room. Everybody is actually out at the moment. I'm the only person with a day off today, so that's why I am having the opportunity to film this. So that's my bed over there, and this used to be the living room of the house, but it's just been converted into a little place to stay. Don't mind that. That is my friend Freddie's bed, but she had to leave in a massive hurry this morning, so I'm sure she would have wanted to make her bed and everything, so I'm not going to show you too much. But yeah, so back that way used to be where I slept. The girl that was staying in this bed moved to another room, so now I have this bed. This is my bed. It's a little different from England, like you sleep with like a sheet and then just like a comforter on top. Yeah, I don't know, it's just different. It's different. We have like duvets in England where you just shove the duvet into one cover, but that's boring. And I have this little side table. I have got my natural birth control device here, which I am trying out. I've heard mixed reviews about this thing, but I'm just trying it for personal reasons. And I also have my earplugs here, which I use at night. And then in here, whoa, loads of cash. Yeah, another thing about being in America is that I get charged every time I use my card, so it's better for me to pay everything in cash. So I had to withdraw like a lot of cash to last me for 5 weeks. So yeah, I'm keeping a lot of it in my drawer. And then I just have my headscarf, I have like my diary, and then I have like some personal snacks because we have like a communal food for the house, which we make like meals with, but if we want any of our personal snacks, we just buy it with our own money. And I gotta show you this absolutely gorgeous view. So we are surrounded by these just gorgeous woodlands, and there's a lake down there, and often you can see like the deer out here in the mornings, and sometimes the wild horses that live on this land that belong to the owner. They kind of just roam around the land. It's super cool, and they just sometimes just pop up by the window and you can just watch the horses just walking by. There are none out here today, unfortunately, to see, but I'm sure I will add in some footage. And then here we have our little mirror that we share, and we just got our makeup stuff down here. We get ready in the mornings to go to work. The one downside about this room is we don't have any doors on it, but it's fine. We've got curtains because they're just like doorways that goes out into like the dining room / office. I've got a wash basket down here, and then I have these drawers where I keep my clothes, so, and like bits and bobs. I've got all my jewelry, hair care stuff, skincare, all that stuff. And this has come in handy so much. My little portable charger that I bought, I bring it to work with me every day to charge my phone. And also I only have one plug adapter, which was really expensive. At the airport they were all completely sold out, so I had to buy one at Walmart, and it was really expensive. So I've only got one, and I have a lot of devices to charge, so they kind of have to take turns charging. So it's quite handy to have this. Yeah, and then I guess somebody before like put this little cute sticker of these buffaloes. It says Yellowstone National Park. By the way, we've also been watching Yellowstone, the series. Socks, underwear, pajamas, belt, and then I've got all my tops, and then I've got like bottoms, I've got like work trousers, shorts. I haven't worn my shorts as much as I thought I would because it's kind of been more cold than warm. We do get quite a few nice warm days here, but it's been kind of cold. And then we've got all warm jumpers. I actually bought this one from a thrift store. It's like a sports one, and then I've got a few others. I've got all my shoes lined up here. I did end up bringing my Timberlands, which I am so glad I brought because they are like the only thing that I can wear at work because it's so muddy on the stables. I didn't realize it would be quite so muddy. In fact, I wish I'd bought more like waterproof clothes. But yeah, so my Timberlands, which were like sparkling clean, are now destroyed. But the good thing about them was they're pretty waterproof, so my feet didn't get wet until like yesterday. I think there's a hole in them. But anyway, the only shoes I kind of regret bringing were my Converse. I haven't really worn them a lot. I always wear these. I do wear those for working out. And then I bought these magnificent vintage moto boots. Apparently that's what it said on the tag, from a vintage store. They were $148. I know it's a lot of money, but I didn't have any going out shoes, and I thought they were great. And then we've got my Uggs, which I wear around the house. I also wear these flip-flops around the house. This is my bag that I take to work. Sorry, I'm running out of breath. I'm so enthusiastic about everything. So yeah, so this is my backpack. It's just got all my stuff that I take to the stables every day. We share these hooks. So Freddie this is her stuff, and then this is mine. Just a coat, towel, some bags. I also thrifted this cute little bag. I just thought it was really like kind of Western style and super cute. And then down here, I have an extra towel. I didn't realize this place had towels, otherwise I wouldn't have bought mine because it takes up a lot of space. But anyway, this place has loads of towels. So I've got my hats, which are also kind of trashed because they also get really dirty and dusty at work. Kind of wish I'd bought some other ones. You can't see very well, but it's like, it's got stained all in it, and I don't know. And then I bought these two cowboy hats. This one was slightly expensive, but and this one, I don't know, I bought them on a whim. And this one I found down in the basement. It's not actually mine and it doesn't fit me, but I brought it up here for some reason. Up here we have my little mascot. I haven't actually taken any photos or videos with her yet. I kind of planned to like put her in certain places and take photos of her. I bought some little outfits for her to wear as well, some cute little Western style outfits, like the rodeo Chloe outfit as well. But yeah, she's got her little cowboy boots on and her cowgirl hat. So I also even bought her a little suitcase because she needs to bring stuff too. And then up here I've just got like my camera supplies and equipment and like tripods and stuff, which I haven't used as much as I would have liked so far, but hopefully I'm going to get to film a bit more. It's just like everything's always so busy, like I don't find a lot of time to film. And then this is my souvenir that I'm going to bring home. This is a little Gus's world famous fried chicken cup, and I had some sweet tea in it, and I think I'm going to take it home because I know it's just probably like trash, but I like it. And I've got my little reusable straw. I did bring a few of these because I don't know if it's just this part of America that I'm in, but in the UK, it's actually quite rare to see plastic straws now. Everywhere has paper straws. McDonald's, all the big fast food brands, they have paper straws. So it's quite weird that I'm seeing all these like plastic straws. I'm like, oh, I guess they haven't changed that yet. I know it's just such a small, tiny, minute thing. I know a lot of people think it doesn't make a difference, but it does. We have to make those changes in order for them to change. So anyway, rant over. And then I've got my my big old suitcase here, and I've just got my laptop thingy. And this, I'm really glad I brought this. I threw this in at the last minute. This is my like winter, like super warm fleece. I didn't even think I'd need this, but I wear it like every evening. It's basically like having a nice comfy robe, and it does get chilly, and also in the mornings. So I'm really glad I bought this. And then in here's just a load of plastic bags and things that I don't really need that I keep in there. That's it. And then out there we have like the rest of the place. There's also alcohol here, but yeah, so that's where I used to keep my clothes, in there when I was in that bed, but now switched. Okay, so that's it for my room tour that I'm sharing with another volunteer. If you want to see more videos about why I've come here, my experience here, what exactly I'm doing, make sure to check out my channel, subscribe, come back and watch my videos, follow along my journey and what I'm doing. Anyway, until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.